In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a video element using Elementor. Whether you're showcasing a product, sharing a tutorial, or displaying a promotional clip, embedding a video onto your page can really elevate its appeal. And with Elementor, this process becomes incredibly straightforward. So, let's dive into the steps. First, you'll need to access your page through Elementor. If you're new to Elementor, think of it as your canvas, a blank slate where you can unleash your creativity. Once you have your page open, the initial thing we'll do is add a new section. This step sets up a defined space for your video, keeping your page organized and visually pleasing. Once your new section is ready, head over to the Elementor Widgets panel, where you'll find the video widget. To place it on your canvas, simply drag and drop this widget into the section you've just created. This action prepares the space where your video will appear, acting as a placeholder for the content we'll add next. With your video widget placed, direct your attention to the Content tab. Here, you can select the source of your video. Options include YouTube, Vimeo, or uploading a self-hosted file. Select where your video will be coming from to ensure compatibility with the platform. Next, paste the URL of your video. This might be a link to a YouTube video, a Vimeo clip, or a self-hosted file you've stored elsewhere. This URL is crucial as it links the widget to your actual video content. Beyond the URL, you have additional settings to fine-tune your video experience. For instance, setting a specific start or end time allows you to highlight particular segments rather than the entire video. You can decide if the video should autoplay, loop for repeated viewing, be muted, or include player controls to give users more interactive options. For those embedding YouTube videos, turning on privacy mode ensures privacy-friendly video plays. To improve page loading speeds, you can also enable lazy load. This option ensures your video loads only when the user reaches it on the page, preventing unnecessary slowdowns. Once you're satisfied with your content settings, switch over to the Style tab. Here you can modify how your video is presented visually. Begin by choosing the right aspect ratio for your video. Common options include 16:9, 4:3, or 9:16, ensuring the best visual fit. Adding a thumbnail overlay creates a more inviting initial view before the video plays. You also have the option to customize the play button style to align it with your design, and you can apply filters to modify the video's appearance further. Finally, move to the Advanced tab. This section allows for more detailed adjustments, such as configuring spacing, layout, or adding motion effects. You even have the option to input custom CSS for tailored design needs. Once you've made all these adjustments, don't forget to click Update. This saves your changes. To ensure everything is as it should be, preview your page to confirm the video displays accurately. That's it. You've successfully added a video element with Elementor, enhancing your web page and making it more engaging for your audience.